Okay, so I'm gonna just do these MC4 connections real quick. Hopefully it's not too windy. I have another video where I go over installing these solar panels. I picked them up for $20 a piece. They're 91 watt panels. It's interesting though, because the middle one had these MC4 connections, and the N2 had these goofy connections, which I'm not familiar with, so I'm just replacing all of them. The MC4s on the middle one had the polarity reversed anyway, so I've snipped the connections off of this one. I am gonna check the polarity. So let's see, this panel is showing 42.5 volts, and this is the positive. So I'll do that one first, just so I don't have to worry about it grounding out or arcing out on anything. Super simple. These are some of the easiest connections I've seen. Boom, take that off. I'm gonna take a razor and trim off this little bit of insulation here. Now I'm not leaving a ton of wire exposed, just a little bit, but that's more than enough. If you can see, it fits all the way in there. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the crimper. You definitely need the MC4 crimper. Works really well, so it's worth just buying it anyway. And let's see. Go ahead, get that in there, and stick the cable in. Yep, you can see the connection right there. Should be pretty stout. Just go ahead and stick this on till you hear a click. Should hear a click. There we go. And go ahead and tighten the gland. With the cables I'm using, I find that I could just hand tighten it all the way and it locks up. So we got one done. Let's do the negative real quick. Probably take about a minute to do the whole cable. So go ahead, pull that off. Boom. Nice good connection. Stick the cable in till you hear a little click. There you go. You can see it's in there far enough. Go ahead, tighten it down. Now I do need to make a little splitter because I'm doing a Y. So I'm going to be kind of branching these off. So these guys are going into a three-way, so I can parallel everything. Let's see. Hopefully I got those right. Yep. Now this one is just a touch off in there of straight. So maybe if you make them yourself, you have to wiggle around in there a little, get everything to pop in, but I think it'll. What I'll probably do is I think I'm going to get a little screwdriver, see if the positive pops in easier. Yeah, the positive pops right in. So I'm just going to get a little screwdriver and straighten those out. So what happened is that's just a little bit like twisted off to the side. So I think if I put a screwdriver in there and give it a little nudge, it'll scoot over. But yeah, that's it. Making an MC4 cables.